Got overripe bananas? Don't throw them away. This easy banana bread will change everything. Let's bake. In a bowl, mix the dry ingredients. That is 2 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of baking soda. If you don't have overripe bananas, you can put them in the oven for 5 to 8 minutes. In another bowl, add half cup of butter, whisk till the right consistency. Add 3/4 cup or 150 grams of brown sugar. Continue to whisk till lighter in color and fluffy. While whisking, gradually add 1 room temperature egg at a time. We will mash the bananas, then mix them with the wet ingredients before incorporating them with the dry ingredients. Add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon and 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence for that kick. While adding the dry ingredients, make sure not to overmix so as to get a fluffy texture. Lightly brush your baking dish with butter, then add in the butter. Sprinkle some raisins, but it's optional. Bake at 177 degrees Celsius for 40 to 50 minutes. When ready, just prick it with a fork. When it comes out clean at the center, it is ready. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. More easy and delicious recipe coming your way. See you in the next one.